My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
Now, this is the client I'm working with where he has decided to eventually use GoHighLevel after we do the form. So we're going to merge eventually over. So now that I got the form completed, I noticed that on some of the questions he had, it was a yes and no question. And then does the form allow you to do the conditional logic where you can add? I could not figure that out yesterday.
Well, okay, so are you talking like conditional logic in an automation or in on the form itself where it'll change the rest of the fields like as the form is being filled out based on the answers that they get?
Yes. Like for example, if it's a simple yes and no question, right? So if the answer is yes, it'll pop more information under that question.
That
Okay.
makes sense. Yep, yep, yep. I know
Yeah,
for sure yeah, so it's right here.
could not get that yesterday. I don't know where it was.
So conditional logic on forms, you can also do it on surveys. But basically, if you're on a form here, you would click this little button right here, open conditional logic
Oh,
at the
that's what it
top
was.
left. And then you can show/hide a field. So if
Oh,
on this field somebody selects no, you can then hide the next field or show the next field. And so you have to kind of set it up this way.
I didn't see that. Okay.
It can literally like change the field dynamically as it's being filled out.
Okay.
You can also build it as a survey if you don't want people to see the fields changing dynamically. A survey just asks one slide question at a time, so they don't really know the next one that's coming, and so they don't really know things are changing. Either way is fine, but yeah, that's how you do it with the form, and the same way with the surveys too.
Okay. Perfect. If
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.